So you've just bought your nice new longboard 2+1 and you've got this weird long box that you've never used before. Okay, you're going to get a fin in with your board and you're going to get a plate and screw set, something a little bit like that. Okay, so here's your fin. This piece in the middle allows the washer or plate on the screw set to drop in, and also allows the nibs on the front or the back of the fin to drop in. So we're going to literally unscrew that one. That drops in, and that's going to run along the bottom here. There's a slot, and we're going to move that across to roughly where we think it's going to be, in alignment with the hole on the bottom of your fin. Drop your fin in. Simple. Runs along the same slot. Find it to roughly where you think you want it to be on the board, and then we're going to line up that hole with your plate and screw. Easiest thing to do this with is your handy fin key. Line it up. Fin key through that and through the hole at the bottom. Drop in your bolt or screw, and then you're going to use handy screwdriver. Some of these adjust with a SCS fin key, and some hand adjustable, and you hopefully can see that pulls the plate up against the fin. Keeps it all nice and snug. And that is how to fit a US box longboard fin 2+1, whatever you're going to call it, into that style of box.